Hi everyone, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. I have a new Cricut Wild Side mystery box to show you, and it does include a brand new Latte Cricut Cutie. As always, purchase link and discount info is right below in the description. You can find it there. Thank you if you use my affiliate link. I do earn a small commission when you do, but that's never at any extra cost to you. So let's have a look at this amazing mystery box. And here's the cutie. Isn't it gorgeous? It's called Latte. Beautiful. I really love it, and I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Don't hesitate if you want it. Brand new cuties always go fast when they're in the mystery box. So let's see what else is included. We'll just put that aside. The first item is 3. I'll just move them like this. They're hard to show. 3 12 by 24 standard grip mats. Amazing. So handy. Let's see if we can get this on the table. There's 3. We have premium permanent vinyl glossy in mint. 1 roll of 12 by 48. I'll just put that there so it doesn't roll away. We have premium permanent vinyl glossy 12 by 48 in clay. We have strong bond foil iron-on 12 by 24 in rose gold. That's gorgeous. Beautiful colors. We have everyday iron-on in Kelly 12 by 24 strong bond. And we have Sport Flex iron-on in gray. That's 11.5 by 24 strong bond. Then we have leopard pattern infusible ink sheets. You have 2 sheets. Each one is 12 by 12, and it does include a sheet of butchered paper. And we have pattern rainbow cheetah. I love this one. It's so pretty. Rainbow cheetah. Again, 12 by 12, 2 sheets, and includes the butcher paper. So this is it. The Wild Side Cricut mystery box with a brand new Latte Cricut Cutie. As mentioned in the beginning, purchase link and discount info is right below in the description under this video. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. Thank you for watching.